Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our gator back rear no-drill mud flaps on a 2019 Nissan Armada. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the gator back flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the factory screw on the inner wheel well, as well as the screw on the underside of the fender as shown. Next, insert the provided stainless steel bracket in between the plastic molding and body on the underside of the fender. In order to best protect your truck body, insert a provided nylon washer in between the bracket and the truck body. Make sure it lines up with the factory hole and loosely reinstall the factory screw. Next, insert the custom clip into the top mud flap hole and slot. Loosely install the U-clip with a nylon washer, black washer, and bolt. Then, loosely install the lower mud flap hole with a large black washer and screw. Then slide the upper clamp in behind the fender, pinching it between the clamp and flap. Position the U-clip so that the outer edge of the clip pushes against the outer edge of the fender, and loosely install. With the square or level, make sure the mud flap is properly aligned to the vehicle. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once properly aligned, securely fasten the upper and lower mud flap holes in place. Next, make sure the previously installed bracket is in the appropriate position and adjust if needed. With a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the bracket hole and factory liner. Now install the bracket to the flap with a carriage bolt, securing it with a washer and nut. Finally, securely fasten all screws and remaining fasteners in place. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your gator back mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.